Today we will see how tomato ketchup is made in a factory. Tomato ketchup is one of the most popular sauces in the world. People use it with burgers, fries, sandwiches, and many other foods. In this video, we will explain the full manufacturing process step by step. The process starts at tomato farms. Fresh tomatoes are grown in large fields. Farmers take care of the plants with water, sunlight, and fertilizers. When tomatoes become red and ripe, they are ready for harvesting. Workers or machines collect the ripe tomatoes from the fields. Only good quality tomatoes are selected. Damaged or spoiled tomatoes are removed. Good tomatoes are packed and sent to the factory. The tomatoes are loaded into trucks. These trucks carry tomatoes to the ketchup factory. Fast transportation is important to keep tomatoes fresh. Fresh tomatoes make better ketchup. At the factory, tomatoes arrive at the receiving area. Workers check the tomatoes again. They remove stones, leaves, and bad tomatoes. Quality control starts from this stage. Tomatoes are sent to washing machines. Clean water is used to wash them. Dust, mud, and pesticides are removed. Sometimes air bubbles are used to clean tomatoes deeply. After washing, tomatoes move on conveyor belts. Workers or machines sort tomatoes by size and quality. Only fresh and healthy tomatoes go forward. Bad tomatoes are rejected. Clean tomatoes are sent to crushing machines. Machines crush tomatoes into small pieces. This turns tomatoes into a thick pulp. Seeds and skin are still inside at this stage. The tomato pulp is heated in large tanks. Heating helps to kill bacteria. It also improves the color and taste. This step is very important for safety. The heated pulp passes through fine filters. Seeds and tomato skins are separated. Only smooth tomato puree remains. This puree is the base of ketchup. Other ingredients are prepared. These include sugar, salt, vinegar, and spices. All ingredients are measured carefully. Correct measurement keeps the taste perfect. Tomato puree is mixed with all ingredients. Large mixing tanks are used. The mixture is stirred slowly and evenly. This creates the ketchup flavor. The mixture is cooked at controlled temperature. Cooking makes ketchup thick and smooth. It also increases shelf life. Cooking can take several hours. Samples are taken from the batch. Taste, color, thickness, and smell are checked. Laboratory tests ensure food safety. Only approved ketchup moves forward. After cooking, ketchup is cooled. Cooling prevents damage to packaging. It also keeps ketchup fresh for a long time. Cooling is done slowly and carefully. Bottles or pouches are cleaned before filling. Hot air or steam is used for sterilization. Clean packaging keeps ketchup safe. Different sizes are prepared for market needs. Automatic machines fill ketchup into bottles or pouches. The filling process is very fast and accurate. No human hand touches the ketchup. This keeps the process hygienic. After filling, bottles are sealed tightly. Caps or seals prevent air from entering. This protects ketchup from spoilage. Leakage is carefully avoided. Labels are added to bottles and pouches. Labels show brand name and ingredients. Manufacturing and expiry dates are printed. This helps customers choose safely. Each product gets a batch number. This helps track production details. If any issue occurs, products can be recalled. Batch coding is very important. Workers check the final products. Damaged or leaking bottles are removed. Only perfect products go to packing. Quality is checked one last time. Bottles and pouches are packed into boxes. Boxes are sealed and labeled. They are prepared for storage and shipping. Packing protects products during transport. Packed boxes are stored in warehouses. The area is clean and temperature controlled. Products are stored safely until shipment. Proper storage increases shelf life. Trucks load ketchup boxes for delivery. Products are sent to shops and supermarkets. They are distributed to different cities and countries. Now, ketchup is ready for customers. This is how tomato ketchup is made in a factory. From fresh tomatoes to final packaging, every step matters. Modern machines ensure quality and safety. Thank you for watching this detailed manufacturing process.